How to turn off location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to turn off location on Snapchat. To turn off your location on Snapchat, you can enable ghost mode. So let's get started. First, open your Snapchat on your mobile device. After that, click on the profile icon at the top left of your mobile screen. Then tap on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. On the setting page, scroll down until you find Privacy Control. In Privacy, tap on See My Location. Toggle the switch next to Ghost Mode to turn it on. You can choose to stay in Ghost Mode for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you manually turn it off, and then choose the option that you want. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and turn off your location on Snapchat, ensuring your privacy and control over your location sharing preferences. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.